To actually find the value of the angle x, you should know that we have two ways of doing that. I'm going to show you the longer way, and then I'll show you the easiest and the shortest way. So let's start with the longest way first. So we can just say that you know this is actually an isosceles triangle, which means the base angles, right, this angle and this angle, are actually equal, right? Okay, so if here is x, then it means here is also what, x, because they are what, because this angle is actually an isosceles triangle, right? So because it is an isosceles triangle, here is x and here is also x. Okay, let's move on. So we can just say let this angle be y, right? The angle at the top be y. So in order to find x, we first have to know the y, right? So we can just say that y, right, plus the angle, which is 108 degrees, will give us what? 180 degrees. If you know the laws, you know that angles on a straight line sums up to what? 180. So the y here and the 108 here, if you add them together, you are supposed to get 180, right? Okay, so our y will be equal to 180 degrees minus 108, and this is actually equal to 72 degrees, right? So that's the answer for y. And so now that we know y, we know that this is actually an isosceles triangle, so the base angles are equal. So we name them xx. So the x plus the y will be equal to 180. That's another rule which says that angles in a triangle, the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So 2x plus the y we know is 72 is equal to 180 degrees. Now our 2x will be equal to 180 degrees minus 72 degrees. So 2x is equal to, that will give us actually 108 degrees. Divide both sides by 2, and our x will give us 54 degrees. So that's the final answer. So x is actually equal to 54. Let me show you the easiest way, right? So let me just clean this. This is the longest way. Let me show you the easiest way. Let me just clean this. Okay, so we actually know how to find it in the longest way. Let's try the shortest and the easiest way. So because we know that this is an isosceles triangle, we say what? If here is x, then it means here will also be x, because they are all the same, like they are equal. And we know there's another rule that says that the external angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So we can just say, with this easiest way, we don't even need the y here. We don't have to introduce any y, we don't have to introduce any y, right? So what I said earlier, this 108, right, is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. And the sum of these two opposite interior angles is x plus what? X, right? So our 108 degrees is equal to 2x. Now we divide both sides by what? 2, yeah, by 2, and we realize that our x is equal to 54 degrees. Really easy, just 2 steps and you get your answer. I hope you really understand this. First, you have to know that the exterior angle here is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. That's a rule. So if you use that rule, you can arrive at this answer. Thank you very much for watching, and please, if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thank you, and please subscribe. Bye bye.